Preparation for a weightlifting competition requires not only physical training, but also meticulous attention to what you consume in the days leading up to the event. While proper nutrition and supplementation can enhance performance, certain substances and behaviors can have detrimental effects, potentially jeopardizing your performance, health, and even eligibility. This guide provides a comprehensive overview of what a weightlifter should avoid before a competition to ensure optimal performance and compliance with competition regulations. Please do subscribe to our channel as we continue. 1. Stimulants and energy boosters. Why to avoid? Stimulants, such as caffeine, energy drinks, and pre-workout supplements, are often used to increase alertness, energy levels, and focus. However, excessive consumption can lead to jitteriness, anxiety, dehydration, and even heart palpitations, all of which can negatively impact performance. Additionally, some stimulants may be banned by sports organizations due to their performance-enhancing effects or potential health risks. Specific substances to avoid: excessive caffeine. While moderate caffeine intake can be beneficial, consuming too much can lead to nervousness, increased heart rate, and gastrointestinal distress. It's essential to know your tolerance and avoid excessive doses, especially if you are sensitive to caffeine. Pre-workout supplements. Many pre-workout formulas contain high doses of stimulants, including caffeine, yohimbine, and synephrine. These can cause unwanted side effects and may even contain banned substances, so it's best to avoid them close to competition. Energy drinks. These often contain a mix of caffeine, sugar, and other stimulants. The combination of these can lead to energy crashes, dehydration, and impaired performance. 2. Alcohol. Why to avoid? Alcohol is a depressant that can negatively affect coordination, reaction time, and cognitive function, all of which are crucial in weightlifting. It also dehydrates the body and impairs muscle recovery, which can reduce strength and endurance. Consuming alcohol before a competition can significantly impair your performance and increase the risk of injury. Potential issues. Dehydration. Alcohol acts as a diuretic, leading to increased urine output and dehydration, which can negatively impact muscle function and endurance. Impaired coordination. Even small amounts of alcohol can impair motor skills and coordination, essential for executing complex lifts with proper form. Reduced recovery. Alcohol interferes with protein synthesis and muscle recovery, which can be detrimental if consumed in the days leading up to the competition. 3. High-fat and heavy meals. Why to avoid? Consuming large, high-fat meals before a competition can lead to gastrointestinal discomfort, sluggishness, and impaired performance. Fatty foods take longer to digest, which can cause bloating, nausea, and reduced energy levels during the competition. Specific foods to avoid. Fried foods. Deep fried foods like French fries, fried chicken, and donuts are high in unhealthy fats and can cause digestive issues. Greasy foods. Foods like burgers, pizza, and heavy cream-based dishes can lead to bloating and discomfort, making it harder to perform at your best. Rich desserts. Pastries, cakes, and other rich desserts are often high in fat and sugar, leading to energy crashes and digestive upset. 4. Carbonated beverages. Why to avoid? Carbonated drinks, including soda and sparkling water, can cause bloating, gas, and stomach discomfort, which are the last things you want to experience during a competition. The carbonation can lead to a feeling of fullness, making it difficult to consume adequate fluids and food for energy. Specific beverages to avoid. Soda. Sugary sodas can lead to an energy spike followed by a crash, and the carbonation can cause bloating and discomfort. Sparkling water. While healthier than soda, sparkling water can still cause bloating and should be consumed in moderation. Beer. In addition to the negative effects of alcohol, the carbonation in beer can exacerbate bloating and discomfort. 5. Banned substances and unapproved supplements. Why to avoid? Weightlifting competitions are governed by strict anti-doping regulations. Taking banned substances, whether knowingly or unknowingly, can lead to disqualification, suspension, or a permanent ban from the sport. Even over-the-counter supplements may contain ingredients that are prohibited or unlisted on the label. Risks. Disqualification. Testing positive for a banned substance can result in immediate disqualification from the competition and potential long-term consequences. Health risks. Many banned substances, including anabolic steroids, stimulants, and certain fat burners, can have serious health risks, including heart problems, liver damage, and hormonal imbalances. Examples of banned substances. Anabolic steroids. These are synthetic versions of testosterone that can increase muscle mass but are illegal and banned in most sports. Prohormones. Often marketed as natural alternatives to steroids, prohormones can convert to anabolic hormones in the body and are banned by most sports organizations. Stimulants. Some stimulants, such as ephedrine and certain amphetamines, are banned due to their performance-enhancing effects and health risks. Diuretics. Used to rapidly lose weight, diuretics are banned because they can be used to mask the presence of other banned substances in the body. 6. Excessive water or fluids. Why to avoid? While staying hydrated is crucial, drinking excessive amounts of water before a competition can lead to a condition known as hyponatremia, where the body's sodium levels become dangerously low. This can cause symptoms such as headache, nausea, confusion, and in severe cases, seizures or coma. Proper hydration strategies. Balance electrolytes. Ensure your hydration strategy includes electrolyte replenishment, especially if you've been sweating a lot during training. Avoid water loading. Drinking excessive amounts of water in a short period can dilute blood sodium levels and impair performance. Listen to your body. Drink water throughout the day, but be mindful of your body's signals. Thirst is a good indicator of when you need to drink. 7. New or unfamiliar foods. Why to avoid? Trying new or unfamiliar foods close to competition day can lead to unexpected digestive issues, food sensitivities, or allergic reactions, which can impair performance and comfort. Guidelines. Stick to familiar foods. Consume foods that you know your body tolerates well and that you've eaten before during training. Avoid restaurant or takeout food. Preparing your own meals ensures you know exactly what you're consuming and can avoid hidden ingredients that might cause issues. 8. Excessive fiber intake. Why to avoid? While fiber is an essential part of a healthy diet, consuming too much fiber before a competition can lead to bloating, gas, and gastrointestinal discomfort, all of which can hinder performance. Foods to watch. High-fiber cereals. Some cereals and granola bars are packed with fiber, which can cause bloating if eaten in large amounts. Raw vegetables. While nutritious, raw vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts can be difficult to digest and cause gas. Legumes, beans, lentils, and other legumes are high in fiber and can cause bloating and discomfort if consumed in large quantities before a competition. 9. Dehydrating foods and drinks. Why to avoid? Certain foods and drinks can dehydrate the body, leading to muscle cramps, decreased endurance, and impaired cognitive function during a competition. Specific items to avoid. Salty snacks. Chips, pretzels, and other salty snacks can increase sodium levels and lead to dehydration if not balanced with adequate water intake. Processed meats. Deli meats, sausages, and other processed meats are often high in sodium and preservatives, which can contribute to dehydration. Excessive caffeine. In addition to its stimulant effects, caffeine is also a diuretic, which can lead to increased urination and dehydration. 10. Psychological and emotional stress. Why to avoid? Stress can elevate cortisol levels, a hormone that negatively impacts testosterone levels, muscle recovery, and overall performance. High stress levels can also impair focus, lead to anxiety, and disrupt sleep, all of which are detrimental to a weightlifter's performance. Strategies to reduce stress. Practice relaxation techniques. Engage in deep breathing, meditation, or progressive muscle relaxation to calm the mind and body. Visualization. Use positive visualization techniques to mentally prepare for the competition and reduce anxiety. Limit external pressures. Avoid getting caught up in unnecessary stressors such as negative self-talk, comparing yourself to others, or dwelling on the outcome. Focus on your performance and what you can control. Conclusion. Preparing for a weightlifting competition requires careful attention to both physical and mental aspects of performance. Avoiding certain substances, foods, and behaviors in the lead-up to the competition is essential for ensuring optimal performance, compliance with regulations, and overall well-being. By steering clear of stimulants, alcohol, heavy meals, carbonated beverages, banned substances, excessive fluids, new foods, excessive fiber, dehydrating foods, and managing stress effectively, you can maximize your potential and perform at your best on competition day.